Hello guys, welcome back to Agri Academy. This is your faculty Sudarshan. Yes, we are going to discuss paper number 3 MTP for CA Foundation for June 2024 examination. Yes, this on the date of this recording is 1st May 2024. Today only the question paper they have released it. We have find out the solutions for that paper and we are going to provide it for you. Okay, so in this MTP series we will be planning in such a way. Your MTP series number 1 will be, I'm going to upload in 2 parts. Part 1 is purely based on statistics, 40 questions is there. Part 2, I will combine mathematics 40 question along with logical reasoning 20 question. I will upload as a second part of the video. This MTP is going to be completely in English. Next, some key points you need to note down. Before starting with this MTP series, before watching this MTP series, first you should ready with your calculators. Then you should have a rough paper with you. And if there is any pen or pencil, whatever you need, take along with you. We can start solving the problem related to that MTP series for statistics. I hope the screen is visible to you. First question, which of the following is true? They are asking. They means we are having an introduction chapter from statistical description of data. They ask this. The French word statistic, it is known as German only statistic, Italian statista, Latin status Q they have given. Then they are saying none of this. What is true they are asking? It is directly option C is your answer. Next, in a tabulation source of data, if any is shown in which note? It will show in footnote in a tabulation. So the answer is footnote. Next, question number 53. Interesting one. Listen this. From the following given data, some numbers are given. Totally 10 numbers, 72, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 numbers is given. Find the class interval if the class length is given. So whenever this kind of question arises, they are asking you to find out class interval. For the number of class interval they are asking, you can directly apply with the formula range divided by class, with class length is equal to what is your class range, highest minus lowest. What is the highest number over here? 80 is the highest. What is the lowest number? 41. Divided by class length is here 5. So it will be 80 minus 41 divided by 5. Take a calculator and do 80 minus 41 divided by 5. It will come to 7.8. The class interval should not be in decimal. It should be a higher approximate value. So my approximate value is 8. My answer is option D is my answer. 64. Okay. The number of observation between 150 and 200 of the following data. They have given more than values they have given. So we are only worrying about 150 and 200. More than 150, we need less than 200. So what we will do, we will subtract this value. From 63, subtract 28. 63 minus 28. You will get a value 35. So option B is your answer. Then question number 65. The data collected on a religion from census report. Census is a primary data. Religion report is a secondary data. So the answer is going to be option B is my answer. Then question number 66. The number of tests of adequacy in an index number is what they are asking. Totally how many numbers we are having? Circular test, unit test, factor reversal test, time reversal test. So totally we are having 4 tests. So my answer is option C. Then question number 67. circular test is satisfied by which test satisfies the which index number satisfies the circular test? It is only one thing, that is simple geometric mean of price relatives and weighted aggregative. Passage will not find out the circular test. Circular test is not nothing but P01 into P12 into P23, like this it will goes. So it will not get. Next, question number 68. In the data, Bowley and last pair index number is as follows. Bowley's index number is 150. Last pair is 180. What is the Bowley's formula? Last pair plus passage divided by 2. So we will substitute the last pair value over here. 180, 150 plus passage divided by 2. So 150 into 2 minus 180 equal to P. Take a calculator, 300 minus 180. 300 minus 180, P is equal to 120. So my answer is option A is my answer. Next, question number 69. Question number 69. If Fisher index number is 150, passage is 144, what is last pair? It is nothing but F square equal to L into P. If I need last pair, F square divided by P is equal to L. So what I will do, take a calculator, 50 into equal to divided by 144. 150 into equal to divided by 144. You will get 156.25. 150.25 is option B. Then question 70. In the year 2010 and it was increased to 20,000 in the year 23. Will the price index of 240 in the year 23 they have given with the base year 2010 as compared to it is 240. Then what we will do? 14,000. I will consider base as my 100. Now 23 is going to be 2,000 divided by 100 into 240 divided by 100. What is the value? You will get 24,000. Next, parameter is a characteristic of. What is this parameter characteristics? The characteristics of a parameter is known as directly population. Direct theory based question, book back question. You can simply do it. Then the interval of mu minus 3 sigma plus mu plus 3 sigma covers, it will cover 99.73%. Okay, 99.73%. Is there any option? No. What we will do? We'll go with option D. Why? All. All means 100. But 0.275 of a normal distribution rate will not cover. Then finally you will get 99.73%. So option D is your answer. Then 73. Overall percentage of a failure in a certain examination is 0.3. They are given failure. What is the probability that out of 6 candidates, at least 4 passed? So they are asking at least 4 passed. X greater than or equal to 4. It means P of X is equal to 4 plus P of X is equal to 5 plus P of X is equal to 6. Okay. Failure they are given. There is nothing but Q. Q is 0.3. Then what is P? P is 0.7. Okay. So what you need to do? You need to do it. First, P of X is equal to 4. We need to find out. What is P of X is equal to 4? 64 into 0.7 whole power 4 into 0.3 whole square. Okay. This question came from binomial distribution, correct? So binomial distribution, the formula is NCX into P power X into Q power N minus X. P power X. So we have put plus in the same way P of x is equal to 5 we need to put. In such case, it will become 65 into 0.7 whole power 5, 0.3 whole power 1 m plus x is equal to 6 we need to do. 66 into 0.7 whole power 6 into 0.3 whole power 0 m plus. If you do solve this, solve all the value, add all the value and solve. Finally, you will get one value. That is 0.74. 0.74. Then just pause the video and solve the 73rd sum, then move on to 74th sum. In the manufacturing process, 0.5% of the tools are produced, turn out to be defective. It is turned out to be defective. Fine. Find the probability of sample tools is 40. From 40 tools, 5% is defective. What is this 5%? It is 2. 2 is defective. So M is going to be 2. My M value is going to be 2. What is the requirement of the question? At most 2 defective. Maximum 2 defective they are asking. 0 defective. At least 1 defective. Maximum 2 defective they are asking. So the formula is, they have given E minus 2 the value. Actually, it is from the probability distribution. This means from the Poisson distribution. E power minus m into m power x into x factorial is the formula. So e power minus m value they have given. E power minus 2 into 2 power 0 divided by 0 factorial plus e power minus 2 into m power 2 power 1 divided by 1 factorial plus e power minus 2 into 2 square divided by 2 factorial. If I take minus e power 2, e power minus 2 outside, it will become 2 power 0 will become 1, 2 square will become 2, 2 power 1 will become 2, 2 square will become 4 divided by 4 by 2 it will come. If I solve e power minus 2 equal to 1 plus 2 plus 2, it will become 5. 5 into 0.135 E value they have given, I am substituting it. 0.135 into 5. The final value is 0.675. So my answer is option D is my answer. Question number 7. Binomial distribution. E of x is 2. B of x, variance of x is 4 by 3. We know under a binomial distribution, E of x is mean. Mean is nothing but NP. Variance is nothing but NPQ. They are asking N. In that value, I am substituting NP value. Q 4 by 3. Q will become 4 by 3 into 1 by 2 will become 4 by 6. So P Q is equal to 2 by 6. Right? I want to substitute in this formula. NP equal to 2. So N equal to 2 by 6 equal to 2. N equal to 2 into 6 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. N is equal to 2. Sorry, N is equal to 6. My answer is option D is my answer. Next, question 76. Question 76. If a standard deviation of Poisson distribution mode they have given. Under Poisson distribution, we will say variance is nothing but M is nothing but sigma square. They have given only the standard deviation. If I want to find under the mode, I will use the formula M, M minus 1. Here it is standard deviation. Standard deviation, the Poisson distribution they have given is only 2. That is only one distribution is given. So what I will do, M value I need to write down. So M value I will find out. M is equal to sigma value. Sigma value of the standard deviation is 2. 2 square. So M is equal to 4. Right? M is equal to 4. So write down 4 minus 4 minus 1. So it is 4 comma 3. Answer is option C is my answer. Okay. The consumer price index commonly known as cost of living index? Direct answer. It is in a book back question also. Almost, if I say in statistics, all the 40 question is from previous MTP past paper questions only. All the 40. If you are a repeaters, if you have already done that, it will become a cakewalk for you. Next question number 78. The covariance between X and Y is 8.4. The variance is 2.25. The variance of Y is 36 respectively. What is the Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation? It is a formula R equal to covariance of X comma Y divided by root of variance of X into root of variance of Y. The formula, we will substitute it 8.4 divided by root 25 into root 36. We know 8.4. Root mental mathematics you should remember. Then only you will easily able to achieve. Okay, you can save time. Root 25 value is 5. Root 36 value is 6. So 8.4 divided by 30. We will use the calculator. 8.4 divided by 30. It is nothing but 0.28. Option B is your answer. Okay. Then question number 79. If R is the correlation coefficient, the correlation bivariate distribution of two regression lines at the right angle, they are asking. At the right angle means it is perpendicular. At the perpendicular, the value is going to be R is equal to 0. Whenever it is perpendicular, the value is going to be 0. Next, if R is equal to 0.6, the coefficient of non-determination, the formula is 1 minus R square. We know R value, 1 minus 0.6 the whole square. It is nothing but calculator 0.6 into equal to minus 1. Answer is 0.64. 0.64. Okay. If I want to do 1 minus 0.36, if I substitute, it will become 0.64. Then question number 81. Coefficient between X and Y is minus 1 by 2. The value of Bx and Y is minus 1 by 8. What is Byx? We know one thing, that is one property. If R value, Bxy value, both are negative, Byx value should also be negative. Okay, in that I am having only A and B is my option. C, D I will omit. From here 2 only I am going to get it. I will substitute in the formula. R is equal to root of B of X into Bxy into Byx. So R square is equal to Bxy plus into Byx. So R square minus 1 by 2 whole square, it will become 1 by 4. Okay, equal to Byx value. Byx xy value is what? Minus 1 by 8 into Byx. So Byx is equal to 8 by 4 minus 8 by 4. Okay, if you cancel this, it will become minus 2. Okay, it will become minus 2. My answer will be option A is my answer. Okay, option A is my answer. Then we'll go to question number 82. Out of the following, which one affects the regression coefficient? Which will affect? It will only, it is not affected by change of origin. Okay, plus or minus, it will not affect. It will only affected by change of scale, multiplication or division. So my answer is option B, change of scale only. 83. If Y is dependent variable, X is independent variable, fine. SD, XD of Y, 5 and 8. Standard deviation of X, standard deviation of Y, they are given. Coefficient of correlation between X and Y, R value they have given. They are asking the regression coefficient. In simple, they are asking Byx. Very simple. Byx formula is R equal to R into standard deviation of Y divided by standard deviation of X. So R value is what? 0.8 into, what is the standard deviation Y value? 8 by 5. 0.8 into 8 divided by 5. It will become 1.28. Option B is your answer. 83. Option B is your answer. Then question number 84. Theory of compound probability states any two events. Direct formula. Compounded probability is nothing but P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B by A is a direct formula we are having. So we will go for option B, or alternatively P of A intersection B is equal to, we will do with another formula also. 85. The three identical dice are rolled. The probability that same number will appear. If I appear for three identical dice, it will be nothing but 6 cube. What is 6 cube value? 6 into equal to. It's nothing but 216. My total sample space is going to be 216. Three dice, same number. 1, 1, 1 should appear. 2, 2, 2. Like this, it will appear till 6 times, right? 1, 1. 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6. So total it is 6. 6 divided by 216, it will become 1 divided by 36. Option C is my answer. Next, question 86. If you know the formula, you can apply, or you can apply it logically. There will be 10 men among whom A and B are standing in a row. There will be totally 10 men. A and B are standing in a row. What is the probability that there will be exactly 3% between A and B? So 1, 2, 3. So it will be like, if A is here, B will be on the 5th position. If A is on the 2nd position, B will be on the 6th position. Okay, if A is on the 3rd position, B will be on the 7th position. If A is on the 4th position, B will be on the 8th position. If A is on the 5th position, B is on the 9th position. If A is on the 6th position, B is between the 10th position. In between, there will be 3. If you see, in between, there will be 3. Okay. If you see logically, in between, you will have a 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So totally, we are having 6. Okay. And A and B from 10%, remove A and B 2%. We are remaining with 8%. That 8% that they can arrange themselves in 8 factorial ways. Divided by total value is 10 factorial into, there is also other possibility that B will be in this position, A will be on the 5th position. B will be on the 2nd position, A will be on the 6th position. Like this, it will be there. So I am to multiply this 6 into 8 factorial divided by 10 into 9 into 8 factorial into 2. Now 8 factorial cancel. This if you cancel, it will become 3. If you cancel this, it will done 2 divided by 15. 2 divided by 15. My answer is option D is my answer. Question number 87. 87 is P of A is given, P of B is given, P of A union B is given, P of B by A they are asking. For P of B by A, we need to find P of A intersection B value. Okay, how I can find a P of A intersection value? A plus B minus A union B. This is what P of minus P of union B. Take a calculator. 2 divided by 3 m plus 2 divided by 3 m plus 3 divided by 5 m plus 5 divided by 6 m minus MRC. What is the value you are getting? 0.4333. This is the value you are getting, right? 0.64995, approximately 0.65. Okay, if I go for an option checking, I will directly go with 11 by 20. I'm not getting. Then I will go with 15 by 20. 15 by 20 also I'm not getting. 13 by 20. Yes, on 13 by 20 I'm getting. My answer is option B is my answer. Then the odds in favor of A is given. Odds in favor of A they are given. So P of A they are given as 5 by 12. Solving a problem is 5 by 7. So it is 5 by 12. Odds against solving a problem. Odds against means it's a negative. Of solving a problem means they are given P of B dash. That is 9 by 15. What is the probability if the both of them try? If the both of them try in the sense, we need to do, at least both of them will try to solve. 1 minus P of A intersection A dash intersection B dash. The formula will be 1 minus P of P of A dash into P B dash. 1 minus P of A dash we need to find out. So it's nothing but P of A dash is nothing but 1 minus P of A. It is nothing but 1 minus 2. It is nothing but 7 by 12. So 1 is 7 by 12. Into P of B dash they are already given 9 by 15. So 7 by 12 into 9 divided by 15. Directly do it in a calculator. Minus what you do. Minus what value. What value you are getting? Final value. Approximately you are getting 0.65. Right? Go and check with your options. Don't forget, in most of all the probability data you would never get the negative value, right? So you will only the value is going to be 0 to plus 1. So here you will never worry about that negative value. You will take a calculator, 712 into 9 by 15 minus 1. Simply do, you will get 0.65. Go and check with the option. First option 117 divided by 180. In the first option itself, I am getting my answer. So I will go with option A. Then question number 89. The bag contains an interesting question to be noted. The bag contains 15 1 rupee coin, 25 2 rupee coin, 10 5 rupee coin. If a coin is selected at random from the bag, then the probability is not selecting a 1 rupee coin. There will be two types. Method 1 I will. 1 minus not selecting, they are asking. I'm not going to select that 1 rupee coin. So 1 rupee coin is nothing but what? 50. The total value is going to be 50, right? So it is 1 minus 15 by 50. What is the value? 15 by 50 minus 1. It is 0.7. This is one way. I will do it method 2 here. Method 2. Not selecting 1 rupee coin. So I will select only 2 rupee. I will select only 5 rupee. It is 25 plus 10 divided by 50. So it is 35 by 50. 35 by 50 is nothing but what? 0.7. Both the, in any ways you can do, both the ways answer is going to be same. Either it's up to you. You will go with method 1 or method 2. 90. What is a 90? If two variables of x and y related values given, mean is given, mean deviation about is given. What is coefficient of mean deviation? So coefficient of mean deviation of y, the formula will be mean deviation of y divided by y bar. Mean deviation of y divided by y bar. So I will do 2x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. Here x bar value is 1. Mean deviation of x is equal to 0.3. Okay, mean deviation of x is equal to 0.3. Here I will think from a perspective of that is measures of general tendency. In measures of general tendency, shift of origin also affect, change of scale will also affect. So I will simply substitute the value. 2 into 1 will become 2 plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. So 3y minus 3y equal to 5. Y equal to 5 by 3. So what is y bar value? 5 by 3. 5 by 3 1.677. Mean deviation of given. Under mean deviation, it is not affecting the shift of origin. It is only affecting change of scale. Positive magnitude of change of scale. It is equal to 2x is equal to 3y. So 2 into 0.3 divided by 3 equal to y. So 2 into 3 divided by 3, it will become mean deviation of y equal to 0.2. Here we have done the value that mean deviation of y is 0.6. Mean deviation of y value is nothing but 0.2 divided by 1.67. So 0.2 divided by 1.67, take a calculator and do. You will get an answer into 100. If you put, you will get an answer of 11.976. We are doing some table tests. No, we will highest value. Next highest value 12 is your answer. Next, 91. Another 10 questions to go. 91. If X and Y are related, quartile deviation. For quartile deviation, shift of origin is independent. It is affecting positive magnitude. So 3x equal to 4y. So 3 into 12 divided by 4 is equal to y. So 3 into 12 will become 36. 36 divided by 4 will become 9. So answer going to be option D is your answer. Question 92, there will be a slight change needs to be done. Be careful. Kindly listen. Question number 92. Suppose a population of 9A has 100 observation. 101, 102, 100 till 200. It is not comma 200, dot, 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 and 200. And another population B is having another same 100 observation. 151, 152, 153 to 2 till 250 is there. What is B of A? B of A is the variance of A. Of two population they are asking. In simple, I want to explain some concepts to you. Variance is not affected by shift of origin. It is not affected by shift of origin. It is only going to affect by change of state. Here, in this observation, from 100 population A, my population B is 151. From that, it has got increased. Okay, from 101, it is increased to 151 by adding plus 50. From 102, it has increased to 152 by adding plus 50. So plus 50 is going to be constant for everything. Okay, from 200, I'm going to add 50, it will be 250. So the shift of origin only will play. Invariant, it is not affected by shift of origin, it is independent. The value is going to be same only. So if we go to be same, whatever I will get the answer in population A will be equal to population B. So my answer both, let's say it is both 100 and 100, I will get. My answer going to be, they are asking V of A by V of B. If I 100 divided by 100, let's say it is 150 by 150. Or it is not going to affect, right? So at the time, my answer is option B is my answer. Next, interesting question and important question to be noted. There will be some discussion on that, but I will give you good clarity over this question. The rates from three different shares are 100%, 200%, 300%. The average rate of return will be, this is return. Okay, average rate of return will be. Whenever it is based on the percentage, we will consider them as geometry. The geometry mean formula is nothing but we are having three values, 100, 200, 300. For ease purpose, what I am going to do, I am going to cancel. 100 is common, so I will take that common over here. I will put 1, 2, 3. Fine. If you want to still put it as 100, you can still put it. Okay. 1 into 2 into. Finally, I will, from the answer, I will multiply 100. In both the way you can do. I will show you both this also. Okay. It will become 3 2s are 6. Find out the cube root of 6. How you can find out the cube root? Take a root value. Take a number 6. And you need to press times square root button. From that, subtract -1. Then divide by the nth value, that is 3. You will add +1. Then do into equal to 13 times. If you do, you will get 1.817. Somewhere around you will get it. Can we do 6 into 6, 13 times square root? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. -1 divided by 3 plus 1 into equal to 1.817 you will get. From that, I am going to multiply by 100. It will become 181.7. If it is 181.7, I am not getting my answer, right? Then we'll go for this approximation. 181.7 is approximately equal to 200%. So my answer is option C. That's what. There is no mistake in this question. Okay. The question is 300 only they have given. In some of the MTP, one of my student has also said to me, this is November 21 MTP series 2. So in that question number 74, they have given. At the time they have given here 400. Okay, they have given 400 over here. Okay, if you go with 400, you get exactly 200. 4 into 2, 8 root of 8 is become 2. So it is 200. Okay, so the answer is 200. So in they are given 300, we'll go for an approximation. This is how the ICA will test you. This is an interesting question you need to note down. Okay, then 94. If variance of x is equal to 5, find the variance of 2 minus 3x. Whenever it is of x, we will write b square equal to variance of x. What is b square here? 3. 3 square 9 into variance of x. So 9 is 45. Answer is option B. Are you enjoying? 95. The sum of the squares of the deviation of a set of observation is given here as the smallest value. What deviation? Sum of the squares of the deviation is nothing but d square. D square is nothing but arithmetic mean. Moderately skewed distribution, which it is nothing but mean minus equal to 3 into mean minus mean. Option C is your answer. Then 97, 98, 99, 100. We will quickly do it in 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. The mean salary of a group of 40 male workers is 5,200 per month, and the group of 60 male workers is 6,800 per month. What is combined salary? We can do it in a single step in a calculator. The form is going to be same. N1 into x1 bar plus N2 into x2 bar divided by N1 plus N2. The same thing only I'm going to do. Okay, but listen, take a calculator. 40 into 5,200 into 6,800 M plus MRC divided by 100. I'm getting answer 6160. Here you should put rupee symbol. They have given symbol, you should put rupee symbol. Option A is my answer. Suppose in option B, they have given option 6160. Here you need to choose C only. The symbol is there, then only you need to choose that value. Okay. Same. The mean weight, the 3 types of mean weight is given. The same formula is being put there, but we can directly do it in a calculator while reasoning this problem. Whenever you get this problem, you will directly take a calculator, directly solve the sum. Okay, take a calculator. Do 15 into 100 M plus 5 into 100 M minus 5 in 125 M minus MRC. You will get no, but they are asking the mean weight of remaining students. 15 students weight is 110. 5 students weight is mean weight is 100. Another 5 is 125. From 15, 5 is gone. Another 5 is gone. So we are left with the remaining 5. So from the value of 525, divided by 5, if you put, you will get a value 105 in your answer. So answer is going to be is your answer. This is number 99. The difference between mean and mode is 69. The difference between mean and mean is they are given 69. 3 into mean minus formula. So divided by 3. 69 divided by 3. Orally you can solve. But the answer is going to be 20. Simply you can. The final 100th question of the statistics part is 40th question of the statistics part. The average of 15 students is 15 years. Average of 5 students is 15 years. And the 19 students is 16 years. Then the 15th student, same way. Don't worry anything. 15 they have given. From that, I will subtract 5. From that, I will subtract 14. I will left with 1. That 1 student average they are asking. If you want to put still, if you want to divide it by plus, you can still do it. Take a calculator. 15 into 15 M plus 5 into 14 M minus 9 into 16 M minus MRC. We will get 11. So answer is 11 years. Answer is 11 years. Okay. In this question, if you notice, they have not yet tested the sampling part. Sampling part is not tested. The small, only one word from that is already they have given in the back of measures of general tendency also. Population is a parameter of what is that what they have given. So sampling part you can expect the question is to in the statistics you can expect the sampling part and then some correlation to grand correlation problem. Then theoretical distribution like a normal distribution problem. And then if I want to say uh, topic, more intensive discussion on index numbers and some more in-depth questions on central tendency, it will be easier to see MT2 series. Sir, if I want 50 plus marks, sir, or 45 above, sir, what I can do? Read all the ICA part. If I want 60 plus to 70 plus, do all ICI book back MTP of all past attempt plus past question papers. This everything you need to do. Sir, if I want only 45 to 50, what I can do? Simply study ICI, set A, set B, set A, set B, plus last 4 years MTP plus past papers. Then only you can easily able to achieve that 40 or 50 even that target. Sir, I want 70 plus what I can do. Do whatever I said in this part along with AQB, additional question bank in ICA study mat. Do that. You will get 70 plus marks. Okay. Stay tuned for more updates. Hope if you have enjoyed, do like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a nice day. Thank you. Okay.